Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 10 ISO file. Okay, so how you can do that, how you can download Windows 10 ISO image. So first of all, open the Chrome browser. I am using Chrome browser and you can use anything else. Okay, so search here Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Okay, Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Search this line. Okay, Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Search in the Google. Okay, the first link will appear here. Okay, so open the first link. Now you can see the Windows 10. Okay, so you can see here Windows 10 2022 and okay, so that's all right. Okay, you can see the Windows create Windows installation media. Okay, so this one you have to download this tool. Okay, so click on download. It will ask me where I want to download, so just save it. Okay, I have downloaded the tool. Okay, I'll show you. So this tool I have downloaded. Okay, so just double click on it. When you double click on it, it will ask your permission, so say yes. And now the tool is running. Okay, so it will take little bit time, and now it's showing the license and acceptance. Okay, so license and terms and so you should accept that license and terms, so just accept and wait. Okay, now you can see upgrade this PC or create installation file or ISO file. Okay, so we are selecting the second option. Okay, and click next. And now you can see it asking me for edition. You can change edition just like language and edition and architecture, so you can change it if you want, but I'll use default. Okay, so select next. Okay, so here you can see you have to select the ISO file. Okay, if you select USB drive, you can make bootable drive. Okay, for the Windows 10. So I am selecting ISO file and click next. It asks me where I want to download, so I'll just choose my okay, so this folder and save it. It will take little bit time, so just wait for patiently, and it will do. So now you can see I have downloaded my ISO file. I'll show you. This is my downloaded file and download file folder. Okay, you can see the Windows ISO. Okay, so this is Windows 10 iOS. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.